What is this? Like 46.90. I wonder what it'll look like in the 46.90s. Gonna wait for it to potentially come back. So yeah, like right around this area here. See if it can come back down there. Let's see what we get. Here we come back down into this area. '90s. Are they gonna flush these '80s? '70s, '60s. '50s, kind of falling apart here. Not holding up. '40s, not holding up. '30s. 20s, still coming in. 20s. I'm gonna try to get some in the 20s against 95 cents. Did not get it down there. Tesla on lows. Did not get it down in the 20s. That was great spot down there. I could have even done the 30s there. Let's see if we can get back down to those 20s real quick. Tesla cracking down. I want to set an alert down there. Low a day. Amazon on highs. Need to watch that too. Can we get down to those 20s for a retest before we launch on this AMD? Oops, I did not mean to open that. Amazon running. And this AMD is back up at 47 here. I don't know if I'm going to get those 20s down there. '40s. '40s, '30s, '20s. I was at 22. I did not get it. Did not get 22s. Got it there. Long AMD, 22 cents. Amazon new highs. Amazon running. AMD needs to get up above 20 very quickly and run back up to the 80s. Let's go. Need to see buy-in coming in immediately. Not seeing it. Nope, they're going to run it. Took the stop down there. Let me set a marker here. They did not run it. Or maybe we won't get up there. Maybe it just won't get up to those areas. All right, let's go for the short here. Against 70 cents. It's not getting up. Short 50 against 70. Small size. We're just not going. Let's see if we can run for lows again. '30s, '20s, teens. Can we get down below? We're trying. Gonna cover one here. We did not crack down below that hole. Let's see if we can do it here. We're right at lows, 42.98. And there's new lows, AMD. And more lows. Might take it here. Yeah, I don't like that. Don't want to see it above 10 cents now. Want to see the seller continue to push like they were pushing before. Don't like that. I'm bombing out, just taking it. So not great, but it was not breaking down anymore. Check, check. It's 1018. Got long this with a very tight stop. This AMD. I'm seeing buyers pick at it here. Really a counter trend trade, but looking for it to just spike up to the 7320, 7320, 4320 area here, potentially even further. So, but buyer not really trying at the moment now. So, like to see us get north of 70, start taking out those 80s, start taking out 43, and then I'll probably take it into the pop above 43 if we can get up there. But need buyers to step in pretty quickly here. We're just kind of floating around this 50-60 area. Can we get some buyers attempting to try to drive this higher? Here's the 70s, and it gets smacked immediately. Just watching here. Can they get this thing up? Nope. Tesla's still making lows. Nah, I don't like that. I'm bombing out of this. I don't like it. It just would not go. Just would not go. Every time I had a chance, it just would not go. So that's that. Going back to work. Trying on the long side again here in this AMD. Let's see if this time they can actually lift and go into the 70s here. Can we keep going? Can we keep lifting? Can we get through those 80s here? Yes, we can. Can we get to the 90s? I could just see the buyers picking at it. It was a matter of timing. Here's the 90s. Can we get over the hole? Can we get up over the hole? Are these buyers real? 98, 99. Gonna take one right there. Half of the position. Let's see if we get another push. Can we get another push above the 20s? Into the 30s maybe? I want to see more buying. Seeing that there, some good volume came by, and we're pushing higher. Excellent. Going to take part of it off here at 30 something. I've got a quarter of the position left. Maybe we can get up to those 60s, like up here. Let's keep watching. 40s continuing to lift, continuing to go, continuing to go. They're continuing to lift. Here come the 50s. Are they still lifting? Having a little bit of trouble there. That's okay. Here's the 50s briefly. Back down to the 20s, 30s. Let's see if this gets gobbled back up and we're right back into the 40s. This is kind of where I wanted to initiate a short, so I need to be kind of cautious up here. Here's the 50s again. Can we blow through here? Look at all that buying. Can we get to the 60s? Can we rip up through here? I'm like coaxing this thing along. Here's 50s, high 50s. Can we get to those 60s? I don't see anything that shows us that we can't get higher. We might even be able to run to 44. Right now, buyers are winning this battle. Might take it here if we start dropping down into the 20s. Yeah, I'm going to take it right there. Flat this AMD. Pretty nice trade, I think, off of those lows down there. Just staying with it, you know, continuing to watch. And this might be potential setup for a short, but I'll set some alerts and go back to work.